Regardless of resources or effort, nothing significant has ever been created without structure and organization. Project managers at TeraThought are servant leaders of development teams and set the framework for this vital structure. At TeraThought, like most modern technology companies, we follow the principles of agile development, prioritizing user-centric product decisions, a continuous stream of value, and an adaptive mindset that allows us to reflect and iterate upon our process. As we create and scale our organization at USC, we're adopting the Scrum methodology, a framework for the implementation of agile values. We structure our development along two axes: product and time. As for product progress, we have epics, massive suites of features and functionalities that mark major product milestones. These are further divided into increments or stories, which deliver vertical slices of value for the end user. As for time, we have sprints, consistent and fixed 2-week intervals of development. By measuring our progress against these two metrics, we can find the velocity and efficiency of our Scrum teams. A Scrum team consists of a project manager, known as the Scrum Master, along with several developers. The team is a cohesive, cross-functional, and tight-knit unit capable of developing and testing stories by themselves. In each sprint, the Scrum Master hosts and leads her team through several sprint ceremonies. Every sprint begins with sprint planning, where teams accept and size stories from the backlog to form their sprint commitment. Throughout the duration of the sprint, the Scrum Master hosts daily stand-up meetings, 15 minutes or less, where each team member shares their accomplishments from the previous day, as well as their goals for the day ahead. The Scrum Master uses these frequent updates to drive a culture of accountability and ownership while ensuring that the team is on track to meet their sprint commitment. At the end of the sprint, Scrum Masters are their team's representatives and point of contact for sprint review, a high-level presentation of what the team has accomplished over the past 2 weeks, as well as the product value that has been added. Finally, Scrum Masters lead their teams through sprint retrospective. This post-review meeting allows every member of the team to share what they think went well during the sprint, as well as what they would like to see changed or improve upon for next time. Outside sprint ceremonies, Scrum Masters are team leaders. They proactively identify team blockers and dependencies and work in and out of the team to resolve them. They also track key agile metrics like velocity and capacity, contributing to our overall metrics dashboard. Just as important, Scrum Masters are stewards of culture, cultivating strong bonds within their teams by creating a safe space and even hosting fun events. To sum it up, the singular goal of a Scrum Master is to help their team become as productive and efficient as possible, while maximizing the well-being of every team member. Now, that's a tall order, undoubtedly, but the challenge makes it that much more fulfilling. While you will be working with developers, you yourself don't need to know how to code. That said, a solid understanding of our tech stack and the software development lifecycle will help cultivate empathy and stronger communication with your development team. An effective Scrum Master is what transforms a group of developers into a cohesive and productive Scrum team capable of delivering real product value. So if that sounds like you or something you're interested in, then you might be a perfect fit for this role. We can't wait to start working with you.